Hello everyone, this is another day, another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm not designing, I'm just showing you how to share this PSD file. Yeah, let me write all this PSD file like this. Just want to show you my appreciation because we are already in 200 subscribers. Early this year that we start this journey, and that we start it together. So this is the way I want to show you my appreciation to you guys, to share you this particular PSD file just for my appreciation, to share you this particular message. You can see it, you have access to all the resources file in this tutorial when you watch this video to the end. Yeah, because in the end of this video you will see the password. So you can see it's a lot of, you see it's a premium design that you have access to the resources, even including the fonts, all the resources they use there, you have access to it. So I'm just sharing it for you guys for my appreciation. So we're already in 200 subscribers, so this is my appreciation for you guys. This is my payback for you. That's thank you for everybody that is following this journey, that's supporting me in this channel. So this is my appreciation, this is my giving back to you guys. So we have a lot of PSD file in this template, so you have access to all the resources. So I have access to all the resources. You can see it. I have access to the resources. This is my payback. This is what I just want to give you guys for return. So one thing I just want you guys to do for me is to watch the videos to the end. Don't ask me in the comment section that please I've watched the video and I don't have access to the password. I will not reply you. Just watch the video to the end. You have access to the password. So this is what will help me my channel to grow. So if I see the way people turn up in this, you may see that I can see like 100 subscribers or more. So I will be dropping a more free PSD file for you guys. So this is the way you can help me back. Let's our channel to grow. Even we can, this channel can grow to 500 subscribers. So I'll be happy shit because I have a lot of PSD file I can give. So just want to see how you guys turn up on this. So you can go and watch my previous videos that I've shared in free PSD file. You can go and watch it. So I've shared a lot of PSD file in this. Let me show you. Let me locate the video for you. Let me on my torrent hotspot. You see what I'm talking about. So you want to watch it. So this you go and watch a lot of my videos on my channel, so it should help us. So this particular tutorial is just for an appreciation for you guys, to give you this PSD file for free. You can see it. It's come with the PSD. We can see it. It's very editable. Even you have a lot. You make your work flow. So you have access to some resources there. You can see it. It's very nice. Just for my appreciation. So if I see you guys turn up this, give me, so I will be uploading more videos. But one thing I want you to know, don't ask me the password. So by the end, watch the video to the end so that you get the access to the password, so you can have access to this precious PSD file. You can see it. You can see it. a lot. You have access to a lot of resources in this file. So this is the way you guys can help me. Yeah, I'm just giving you, I'm not selling it. It's not for sale. It's for free, just for appreciation for you guys, the way you turn up. I'm not expecting it at all. So this is my way, gratitude for you. Just have access to it. Yeah, have access to it. It came with PSD file, including sometimes you can see this one too. You have access to this. The everything like this. It came with the resources file. You can see all. So I cannot just be opening it. Yeah, but this is the resources file. One thing I just want you to do, watch the video to the end. Don't ask me in the comment section that, please, I've watched the video and I did not see the password. I will not answer, I will not reply you. Just watch the video to the end. Yeah, and have access to the password and go and use it on your home. It's not free. And sorry, it's not sell. It's for free for you guys. Yeah, it's for free. So everything. Let me open one so you can see. Let me open one for you. Wait, I don't know. So I don't know what is wrong. You can see it. What is wrong with that? I think it's working. Yeah. Just watch the video to the end. Watch the video to the end. You can see it. You have access. You have access to the font, to everything. So you know how the design is. A lot you have access to. So you can see this one. So let me open this one too, so you can see. So you can see that it's very editable. Came with the pictures, everything. It's very editable. You can see it. These are all the resources. You can see it. Came with the extra pictures. So this is just appreciation for you guys. That I'm very grateful for what you guys have done. Early this year January, when I started my channel, we're up to 0 subscribers, but now we're almost 200. You can see it. Almost 200 subscribers. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I'm very appreciative. So this is my way back session to give you guys. So you have access. Everything is very editable. Don't mind this one that is not showing. I don't know what is wrong, but I will just find. Okay, there is it. Okay, there is it. Sorry about that. Thank you. So you can see it. You have access to everything. I don't say that you should do one. It's for free. Yeah, you can hear me right. It's for free. So you have access to everything. You can see it's very editable. You're already on my PSD already. You can see it's very editable. You can use it. You can edit it. You can see it. It's very editable. So I'm giving it for free. It's not for sale, for free. So I just want to show you my appreciation. One thing you just need from me is that watch this video to the end. Yeah, watch this video to the end so that you can have access to the password. watch it to the end. Don't come and my comment section and asking me, please, I did not, I watched the video to the end and I do not have access to the password. I will not reply you. Just watch the video to the end. This is the way you can make this channel to grow more again. So I do not say you should bring money. Just watch the video to the end to have access to the password. So it's for free. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. So thank you. You can see it. You can have access to it. It's not too much. So thank you guys. My name is Sample. My YouTube channel is Wide Creativity Studio. So I'm very appreciate guys for this journey. So let's push more about this channel, more growing. So just watch the video to the end. Watch it to the end. Watch it to the end so you can have access to all this PSD file. It's a premium design. You can see it is you can have access to this. You can see it. You can have access to this. It's very editable. So I will be posting more. Just I want to see how you guys want to turn up around this. If I see the real changes, so I'll post more free PSD file for you guys. So thank you. Very appreciate. So thank you guys for this. I'm really grateful. So don't forget to like, comment. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first person to notify when I upload video like this. Thank you very much. Thank you. I really appreciate. Thank you. Bye for now.